In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multi-select in Soundtrap. Whether you're tightening up a chord progression or reshaping a melody, being able to select multiple notes at once in the piano roll will save you time and keep your workflow smooth. We'll focus on 3 simple ways to do it inside a MIDI region: box select, shift click, and select all. Each method is useful in different situations, so I'll explain when to use which and how to avoid common mistakes. Start by opening a MIDI region so you can see the piano roll. This is where your notes appear as little rectangles lined up along the grid. Make sure you can see the notes you want to work with, and give yourself enough zoom to be precise. The fastest way to grab a group of notes is box select. Click and drag in an empty area of the piano roll to draw a selection box. Everything inside that box becomes selected at once. This is perfect for chords, phrases, or any notes that sit close together. A quick tip: begin your drag on empty space, not on top of a note, so you don't accidentally move a note instead of selecting it. If you need accuracy, zoom in a bit before you drag the box so you catch exactly the notes you want and nothing extra. If your notes are scattered and not lined up neatly, use shift click. Hold the shift key, then click each note you want to include. Keep holding shift as you add more notes and release it when you're done. This method is great for picking notes across different beats or octaves without grabbing everything in between. Take your time as you click. You're building a custom selection that fits your exact musical idea. When you need everything in the current region, use select all. On Windows, press Ctrl+A. On Mac, press Command+A. This selects all notes in the piano roll within the MIDI region you opened. It's handy for global changes, like shifting an entire part up an octave or tightening timing across the whole phrase. Before you use it, make sure the piano roll is active so the command applies to your MIDI notes. Once your notes are selected using any of these methods, you're ready to make changes confidently and consistently. Box select for quick clusters, shift click for precise picks, and select all for full region edits. Practice switching between them as your musical ideas evolve, and you'll notice your editing speed and accuracy improve right away.